How to create Scribie account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can create an account here in scribie.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is like a specialized platform to transcript your audios, your interviews, your podcasts, as you can see. And in order to sign up into Scribie, you must to click on sign in. This is gonna open a new menu in your right screen. And if you don't have an account, just click in sign up. That's the link we are looking for. So you must complete this data in order to continue: your first name, last name, email address, phone number, password, confirm your password, and the account type. If perhaps you're a customer, so you're gonna be here in Scribie in order to contact and to send some jobs so any other person can do it for you. Or perhaps if you're a transcriber, so you're going to transcribe and earn money, as you can see. Okay, and also to confirm you're not a robot, to agree the terms and conditions. This is optional. You can receive updates and discount coupons once every 3 months. That's optional, I repeat. And once you have completed this data, you must click on sign up. Okay, my account was created successfully. Now I must confirm my account from my email, I guess, but this is loading yet. Okay, yes, my account has been created. Now I must continue with the steps to finish the setup of my account, but this is going to be in a different video. Thanks for watching.